Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use sketch pens with your Silhouette Cameo 3. First, gather your Silhouette Cameo 3 machine, your favorite sketch pens, and the paper you plan to draw on. Make sure your Silhouette Studio software is up to date for the best performance. Next, carefully remove the cutting blade from carriage 1 of your Cameo 3. Then, insert the sketch pen adapter into carriage 1, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Finally, secure your chosen sketch pen into the adapter, making sure it sits snugly. Now, let's prepare your design in Silhouette Studio. Open your desired design file and adjust its size to fit your project perfectly. Navigate to the Send panel, which is where you'll tell your Cameo 3 what to do. Under the Action section, select Sketch instead of Cut. Double-check that sketch pen is chosen for carriage 1. You might need to adjust the force and speed settings. A good starting point is a force of about 5 and a speed of 5, but experiment for optimal results with your specific pen and paper. With your design ready, it's time to load your material. Carefully place your chosen paper onto the cutting mat, ensuring it adheres smoothly and is aligned with the top left corner. Load the mat into your Silhouette Cameo 3 by pressing the Load Mat button. Once loaded, return to Silhouette Studio and click Send to begin the sketching process. Watch as your Cameo 3 precisely moves the sketch pen, bringing your digital design to life on your paper. It's quite satisfying to see your artwork emerge. Here are some pro tips and common troubleshooting advice. Always test your pen pressure and speed on a small piece of scrap paper first. This helps prevent mistakes on your final project. If you're using non-Silhouette brand pens, make sure to use the universal pen holder for a secure fit. Regularly clean your sketch pens and your Cameo 3 machine to maintain optimal performance. Finally, always ensure your paper is perfectly flat and securely adhered to your cutting mat to avoid any shifting during the sketching process. Happy creating!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.